Alright, so I just went back and I did some extra sanding of my rivets. Sometimes if it's a really tight fit, they don't quite fit through the hole. So I just went and sanded on the rivet. I got my first one stuck in the hole here. So this is the back piece, and you can see that it's sticking up. Now I'm going to take and put the top one on as well. Sometimes you have to use the table and press down to get it on. But what you're really looking for is for it to stick up a little on top and a little on the bottom. All right, now you can see it's attached, but it's not going to stay unless I make that nail head on either side. So now if I go back to my sketch, I'm going to be pressing down on the top of this until it becomes a curved, rounded shape. And that means that they're stuck together. So to do that, I'm going to take my steel block and I'm going to set this up on it. I'm going to take a riveting hammer, okay, or a planishing hammer, which is what this one is. I like this one because it's got the rounded edge and then it's got the flat edge, which can do two different things. And I also have masking tape. Especially as a beginner, it's nice to use the masking tape to help hold it into place. So all I'm going to do is set the masking tape lightly over so my rivet is stuck in there. All right, so now I'm going to actually hammer right on top of that masking tape, and I can get that off after. So I'm taking the rounded end and I'm just slowly starting to tap. It's a very delicate process because I don't want to hit any of the sheet metal if I can avoid it. And then every once in a while I'm going to flip to the other side. So I'll take this off to show you. It's slowly starting to press that rivet down and make it a little bit flatter. I'm going to take that off just so you can see a little better. Now I can also flip to the other side to start hammering a little bit more. Alright, so now at this point, it's started to flatten. It definitely won't come out, but it's still a sharp edge. So now I really need to go back to my rounded hammer to make it more of that nail head shape. And I'm going to try and hold it a little more on the side. Notice I keep flipping it over every once in a while to continue to get the same nail head on both sides. So at this point, it is attached on there. It is a rounded shape there. You can see that I can still bend and move this top piece because the other two are not riveted in. So now I can go back and saw or drill through each of these holes, and then I can do the other two rivets. But this is my first one, and now it's done.